My back hurts so much, and it's probably because I didn't have a pillow. But okay, so ignore the mess. What did I get? Pan. It was on discount. It's for my pillow. Little frying pan. This thing. That's it. Oh, this was around 80 something euros. Yeah, 80 something. Around that. I think it was pretty nice. And I probably could find this stuff for cheaper in other stores, but I just saw it and I was like, I'm gonna enter this store and just buy everything there. My first meal.
Eyes locked from across the room. Hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrifying my skin.
Hey guys, I'm in this place called Bru. Husman Bru. I forgot. But yeah, this place is it seems a little sketchy. It's also where I found stores to buy African hair products. But yeah, like you can see more people like junkies. I don't know. Maybe it's that one side of the town, you know. Even with these people that make you feel a little bit unsafe, you still feel safe because they don't care about you. The name of the place is Husman's Brew. Husman's Brew. Husman's Brew. It's a little bit more dirty too. I don't know if it's the day, but yeah. So right now I have most of my receipts because I want to register on Notion how much I've been spending and like on what, to have an idea of how much I'm gonna be needing per week. Do your eyes also start burning out of nowhere? Because mine do on a daily basis. The plan is to work on some video editing, social media management, do some journaling, and register all of the expenses and whatever. I'm probably not gonna do all of this today, of course not, because right now it's 8 and I gotta sleep early because tomorrow I wanna wake up early to wash my hair. Because I bought a new hair product and let's see if it works because it's a brand that I don't know.
We ignite the flare, love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing.
I know I'm type different when I write, I'm sighting visions. I bring light, I'm like ignition in this one life that we giving, yeah. I hope that my youngins get the guidance that they missing and don't wind up in that system. Lord, I pray I don't outlive them, yeah. Issues with these women, always keep my feelings hidden. Don't know how to show I love her, so I love her from a distance, yeah. Shit, I can't be tripping. If I did it, then I did it. I accept the consequences, no expectance for forgiveness, yeah. I don't expect no forgiveness from no one for nothing for any time.
Hey guys, right now I'm in Frogner Park and I was trying to find my classmates because they were around here, but I can't find them, and I'm also not feeling like saying anything in the group chat. So I'm kind of just walking around, and then I'll try to find them because this park is huge and it would have been a waste to come here and not explore it. So I'm gonna explore a little bit and then maybe try to find them again.
That beef and shit cool and that beef and shit almost had me lose my bro. I like to float off the drugs, but I seen what it does. You can make the wrong ones overdose. I popped a pill, I ain't sleeping today. Went through the week without feeling away.
Hello. The curls are still popping. So right now we're cooking some killing beef. Killing means chicken, as you might already know, because I think I've mentioned it before. Easy to cook, quick. So yeah, we're doing something pretty quick and tasty.
My heart so bad, but girl, you something special. My girl so bad, but shit, you something extra. I'm outside, baby, shit, you know I choose the weather. I know you with him, but your spitter do it better. If I want it, gotta have it, I can't flush it. I could tell by how you hug him, you don't love it. I love you like my cousin, but not like my cousin. Type of crushing, if you in the gym, I'm dunking on him.
I don't know where to stay. It's quite empty now, so I have a lot of choice before it gets full. I feel like whacking now with the song.
Baby girl, try me, not for anybody, you not anybody. Baby, get try me, what you doing outside? You should be inside me. Baby, gotta lie, when you know I get out. I can sit up there, baby, hit me up slide. Why you playing? You so funny, you so silly. You funny, baby. I'm on the road, I know you miss me. That's right. I'm in New York City, thinking about your titties. Why they ain't with me, girl? Why they ain't with me? I'm up thinking about it. I'm on something, baby. I'm on something king about it. This shit, you like it when I sing, so shit I sing about it. I got a necklace for your neck, I put some bling around it. Tell your girls about it, tell them soon as pearls and diamonds.
Hey guys, so I didn't actually plan to come here, but I was kind of just closed at home. Then I went to uni to clear some doubts, and I was like, should I go back? I mean, look at the sun. It's so sunny, and I won't have sun for a few months later. So I was like, okay, let's find a garden nearby or something. Look at that. Let's find a garden nearby, and I found this botanical garden. And right now I'm here, and I'm super happy that I came here. It's so nice. It's huge, beautiful, aesthetically pleasing.
You left like 7 hours ago, but still impressed by you. 'Cause I don't think that you felt it too. Now I'm parked up on Monday, we haven't talked since Thursday. Wonder what you're doing all night. Yeah, you mess with my pride. Why can't I be you? Oh, I don't know why I'm stuck on a boy who don't want me. My mama says I'm lovely. Someday you'll regret that you never keep running. I really hope you love me. But I'm jealous of the world, and I'm jealous of the way you moved on in half a day. I'm jealous of the girl who ended up with your last name. But I swear you'll never see that day, and I know it's bad for me.
I was gonna stay here and read a bit. I even brought my book, But since this wasn't planned, I didn't think of bringing like any food or water, so I'm just going back home. It's a shame. I really wanted to stay here for a while, maybe like until the sun is gone, but yeah, I'm hungry. Thank you once again for watching my video. I know that there's not a perfect flow between some clips, and that is because I'm still getting used to recording myself in public and around other people. But I believe it will get better in the next videos. Either way, if you enjoyed it, leave your like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you and have an amazing day.
Need a high